Hello and welcome Forex traders. We are looking at the US Singapore dollar on the 1 hour time frame this morning. I've opened a buy order on this pair following the formation of the break and retest pattern right here. Okay, so we have the bounce right here establishing the resistance. As the market retests it, it fails. We move back a third attempt at this level. We move right through the level and pull away quite a bit from it. And that's the key to the break and retest. So what you're watching for now is the return to this level and a signal to form. There it is, your bullish engulfing signal. It's not only at the breakout line, it's also at the center Bollinger Band. So we're rejecting two areas for the confluence of those two areas, making this a much stronger signal. Now the entry was on a pullback, and as you can see, the market stalled here. There was opportunity to enter this trade over about a 3-hour window. Okay, so it's not like you had to be sitting right in front of this one right when it happened, because anywhere in here is a good opportunity to enter with a target of this level. However, if you zoom out, you can see that this level right through here is perhaps where the market's going to head to. So because of all of this, let me zoom back out, because of all of this congestion right here, and this being the most logical level, I wasn't afraid to move my entry, my take profit rather, a couple of pips above this line. Okay, so I see we're going to more than likely at least have a really good attempt at this level, and if that happens, we're going to get our profit taken. If not, we're going to move right on through it up to the next level. Okay, so a couple pips from 26 to 29 is not going to hurt us in this case. Okay, our 2 times profit target has been reached, and I purposely let this run a little bit longer here so that I could show you exactly what I was talking about, and we can look back in hindsight and see where our profit was taken, and also see where the market has went to. Okay, so let's talk about this. Here's our level where the take profit was. Okay, and we said it was a few pips above, not a problem. As you can see, we did in fact retest this level right here before pulling all the way back to the breakout line for a second attempt. So if you missed this opportunity, here's another one. Okay, let me draw this out for you. The new level of support is right here. All right, so here is now an outer zone bounce. Okay, that formed right here. Now, let's see. Let me zoom out again, so I can show you where the market has wound up. Just like we said, although our profit was here, we were not afraid to move it up a few pips, because this is more than likely the real level that it's going to move to before something happens. And as you can see, it's poked its head right through here, and from there, who knows, right? So let's draw this out, and we'll see how this candle closes out, but we might have a break check here. Quite possibly, it could form. But mainly what I want to show you was the level right here was reached. However, if you would have put your initial level up here for your take profit, would have been a little scary, because you would have moved all the way back, possibly could have even had your stop targeted before the market went on its merry way. Okay, so this is why it's so important that we target the most recent level, or in this case a couple pips when you're looking beyond that at a more significant level that you think it's going to go to. It's okay to just move it a couple pips beyond. All right, I'm not ever scared to do that, because if it's going to test it, it's going to test it by a few pips. Okay, and that concludes the break and retest at the center Bollinger Band.